A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William India. Today, January 16, 2024. Please go through the disclaimer. Okay, so let's come to Nifty 50 as discussed yesterday. So after the breakout from this thing, this consolidation base, the Friday's close was really good, and that was a clear breakout on Nifty's chart after hitting 21 DMA. And that's what happened yesterday. We saw the good gap up opening of more than 100 points, and then Nifty closing near the day's high above the 22K mark. So we reached the milestone of 22,000 as well. Even the volume was really good yesterday. It was led by the IT stocks. The Wipro opened that gap up almost 10% high. Even the HCL Tech was doing good. So IT stocks were helping the market to go higher. Even the other sectors, like the other stocks and sectors like Reliance and others were helping the market to go higher. And that's how the Nifty closed near the day's high. And it was an excellent close. So now, just in four sessions, like after hitting the 21 DMA, okay, the intraday only we got a reversal on Wednesday. Then there was a good session on Thursday, and then two back-to-back good session like Friday as well as the Monday. So now again we are a bit extended from the 21 DMA and the 50 DMA. So 1 or 2 days here and there, and we might go through a small consolidation or a small couple of percent correction, because you can't remain much extended from the key moving averages for a very long time, and that's what generally we have observed. Like I know, see, just to see over here, I'm annotating the chart after a rally. It again touches the key moving averages after rally again. Okay, or either it moves a bit flat and then try to touch 21 or 50 DMA. Here also it happened. It was really extended one, this one, and then hit 21 DMA. Now again it's trying to move higher. It might move this week higher. I'm not saying it will correct, but yes, this should be the preparedness in the market. You should be very careful with the levels when the market is extended. But yeah, do not fear. If the stock you are getting at a very good level, ठीक है, pivot के पास मिल रहा है, if it is you are getting it closer to key moving averages, go for it. We are someone who believe in buy high, sell higher. Okay, but this is just at the index front that we are a little extended from the 50 DMA. So it is not the way that the rally is restricted, but we might be in a range uh, compared to the continuous rally. And yes, the distribution day count is at 4 with one expiring this week. So the overall strength in the market looks quite good. If you see the results today, HDFC Bank, ICICI Lombard, L&T Technology, Fed Bank, HSCL, ICICI Securities, and also Bank of Maharashtra, CE Info, Credo, Newgen, and many others will be reporting. PNC Infra and its subsidiary have successfully finalized agreement with HIT, an infrastructure investment trust, for this investment of 12 road assets located in UP, MP, Karnataka, and Rajasthan. The total EV of this transaction amounts to almost 9,000 crore, inclusive of earnouts. So that's a big deal. RVNL was selected as the lowest bidder for the supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of 11 kV line associated work in Jabalpur. 250 crore के आसपास है, 250 crore. It's near to that. Geofinance's Q3 interest income grew from 269 crore to 413 crore on a QOQ basis. Angel One's Q3 PAT was up 12.4%. Revenue grew 41%, while the margin contracted to 37.6 from 43.3%. Okay, so yesterday US market was closed, so no updates from there. Asian markets flat to negative, so Nikkei is almost 0.3% down, Kospi 0.7% down, while Shanghai is trading flat. Now, if you look at the gift Nifty, it indicates muted to negative opening. So in yesterday's session, We closed around 22,100 on the cash. तो कुछ 30-40 पॉइंट अभी नेगेटिव दिख रहा है compared to yesterday's future close. So let's see if we can. That is not a big deal in the current market to recover as a 40-50 point इधर उधर. But yeah, we might not see a big gap up or gap down major ones in the opening. That's what the gift nifty is indicating. Now, if we, I think, see in this kind of market, one more thing I want to add, the low of the previous session is very, very important. So just keep that in mind. So yesterday's Nifty low is very crucial to hold if we have a fall in today's market. Then now, if you look at the stock of the day, then Varroc Engineering, that is a very good setup. It's a stage two cup with handle base, and no, it's just 2% to pivot. The base formation is on the low volume. The consolidation looks good, and no, it's related with the auto ancillary industries, and the fund holding is quite decent. The last quarter results were also really good. There was good improvement in the EPS. Not that strong fundamentally, but yes, overall, if you look at the price volume action, the way the base is formed, okay, that looks quite interesting. And that's why we have selected it as a chart of the day. So the cup with handle formation is really a good one if you can see for a good rally. It didn't breach 50 DMA. यहाँ पे एक बार 21 क्लोज नीचे आया था. It was floating around 21 DMA, but it managed to hold 50 DMA, and that's a positive sign, strength of the element in the stock. And while base formation, the volume was quite low. After a good rally, there was a low volume base formation, and now we are coming closer to the pivot. So that's why we have selected this one as the chart of the day or the stock of the day. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45.